So boys and girls, this is how we're going to do a touch and tell, sketch and write. So we start out with our paper, and what we're going to do is make sure that our name is at the top. Okay, and the date. Today's digital date is 9-22-20. When I do a touch and tell, that's what I start with first because I've thought of my idea already. So what I'm going to do is I am going to start with the very first page, and I'm just going to say my story while I touch my paper where the words are going to go. Okay, so my first page, the beginning of my story is, I was going swimming. Now I'm going to turn to my second page and touch and tell. Okay, my dog jumped in. My last page, the ending of my story, is the pool cover was still on. So now I've gone back and I've touched on my pages, my beginning, my middle, and my end. And I know now that I need to go back and do a quick sketch. I only do a quick sketch because the sketch is what helps me remember what I want to write. So if I get to a page where there aren't any words, then I can look at my picture, my quick sketch, and that will help remind me. I don't want to do anything fancy quite yet. We'll do that when we go back and add details. So my quick sketch on my first page has to match my words of I was going swimming. So I'm just going to, draw the swimming pool, okay, and kind of goes like that. And I'm going to put just some little waves there to remind myself that that's the swimming pool. And since my first page says I was going swimming, I'm just going to draw a quick picture of me and a quick picture of the pool, and now I can move on. Nothing fancy when we're doing a sketch. On the second page, my second page said my dog jumped in. Okay, that's what I did for my touch and tell. My dog jumped in. So again, I need to just quickly draw a sketch to go with that. Okay, and here are the quick waves to remind me that's the pool. And now I need to draw Lucy, my dog, because she is the one that jumped in. Now, nothing fancy yet, just drawing a picture to help remember my words. Okay, my dog jumped in. Well, there she is. Just going to do a quick little arrow here to remind me that she was jumping in. And my last page says the pool cover was still on. So to remind myself what to write on this page, I'm going to draw the pool. Okay. And this time, I'm not going to draw the waves in the pool because the pool cover was still on, and that's what I wrote about. That was my touch and tell. The pool cover was still on. So instead, I'm just going to draw these quick little dots because the pool cover has these little bubbles on it. And that will remind me in my writing that this is the page where the pool cover was still on. And that's all I'm going to do for a touch and tell, sketch, and write.